are at Lake of the Ozarks State Park in Missouri. Just want to go through and kind of show you the campground. This upper level here is all pull-through sites. I'm going to swing back over here. There's your dump station, check-in station, and there's a little store on the other side. It is closed currently, so is the check-in station. It's all on your honor right now because we are in December camping. These are all pull-through sites up here for the big rigs. And as you can see, there's nobody here right now. This campground is pretty empty at the moment. There's, like, this site is a pull-through site, but this is a basic with no electricity. There's a few of those. There are several 50 amp sites and plenty of 30 amp sites. There is a playground here. There's a shower house, bathroom area. All those are closed through the winter months. There's no running water in the park. But there is, well, at least one vault toilet that I've seen, and I'm sure there's probably others. I also want to show there's a yurt over there. And one right there. So you can rent those, and I think you can only rent those in the summer months. Because there, as far as I know, there's no reserving anything. But you can see the lake is right there. Now I'm going to take you down. I'm going to go down this way, and then I'm going to show you. You might be able to see our camper down there. This is another stretch of it. I'm not sure how many sites there are, but probably well over 100 sites. Maybe 200, maybe 300. There's a lot. So we're going to show you the rest of this here just a little bit. All right, this is the section that we are camping in. And as you can see, there's nobody here. We've seen a few leave today, but they were probably staying way down in there. We'll show you that here in a little bit. This little stretch right here has nobody in it but us. And we've got a nice little view of the lake there. It's been very quiet and extremely dark at night. We pulled in yesterday, and by the time the sun all went completely down, whoo buddy, it was dark. A lot of deer and raccoons. We'll walk over here and show you the lake a little bit. So that's our view. It's pretty here. Alright, let's go see the rest of this campground. Alright, here's another section of the campground. There is an amphitheater down there where I'm assuming they put on programs and things. And then this is another section of campsites here. And you see there's another bath station with shower house and stuff. And that's closed, no water. Are these all no, these are back-end sites. Yeah, these are back-end sites. I think the only pull-throughs were really the ones up there at the very first. And then there's another little bathroom right there, it looks like. I don't know how many spaces are in this section, but they do go kind of over the hill there, and there's some on that side too. But as you can see, there's like nobody here. Alright, these sites down here are right on the lake, as you can see. These are all basic sites. There is no electricity for any of these. Even the ones up there. But you are right on the water. So, I mean, you know, it's a trade-off. These are nice sites. Not for very big RVs though. And they're pretty unlevel. I can tell that just by standing here. But as you can see again, there's like no one here. It's pretty empty. Okay, these sites are just to, well, it depends how you're standing, I guess. I don't know which direction that would be from those last ones. They're on down a little farther, we'll say it that way, from the ones that were all basic sites. These have electricity. And it looks like some of them are 50 amp. Yep, some of these are 50 amp. But you can kind of see by this one right here how unlevel that is. And it's really small. So it's for tinier trailers, campers, vans. There's a restroom right over there. And there is one person down here camping. And it might be the people we seen walking. There's sites all through here. So, do you happen to remember how many sites there were supposed to be in this? 182? 182 sites. And just so that you know, make sure you make a reservation through the summertime, because in the summertime, this place will be booked. So, don't want to rely on first come, first serve. You will want to book. But these sites are really cool down here. If you have something small enough that'll fit, you are right on the water. It's really pretty. And it's even prettier in the summertime when everything's green. There is a marina here. A little store, which I'm sure is closed for the winter. You get your boat ramp and dock there. And there is gas, I believe, on the other side of this little store. And there is a swim beach down here. And it does look like they have boat something. I don't know what that says. And slip rentals. I don't know what the middle one says. Oh, that's like ATV and stuff, I guess, rentals. Oh no, that says Ellis batteries sold here. Oh wait, I need glasses. Okay, anyway, so they do sell batteries if you need a battery. But just to give you a little reference, there's some more campsites right there. All along in over there. Those are all campsites. And those do have electric right there. And then that road running in front of the campsites there actually curves and goes back to the rest of the campground where we just came from. So you could quite possibly be right by the swim beach if you wanted to. And there's another restroom right there. Over here in this section, we have a nice picnic area with several picnic tables and grills. And there's a playground and a restroom, which obviously is closed right now. And that swim beach is just on the other side of that little playground area right there. And that's the marina on the other side of that. And then there is a fishing dock down here. So, gonna have to check that out, see if we can get some magnet fishing in. That'll be fun. This is a nice little picnic area. There's several tables here too. So if you just want to come down here and have a little picnic by the lake, you get this beautiful view while you're having a nice lunch.